Tangshalo Hasteo Kaisa Private Hotel Hasteo Swrangchati Khlaijakkha Videsh Sampark Kaisa Panda Swrangchati Bar Hakotoni Parastro Montrolani Chubazubai or Magical Bar Hakotoni Parastro Montrolani Yakso Odama Onkon Penati Hasteo Swrangchati Odama Pradeep Kumar Chakraborty Hasteo Police DCP Intelligent Honor Kobe Hastete Hakoto Haponi Klama Tangfaro Asale Kokchap Hasteo Haponi Swrangchati Kokchalemo Passport Noti Bania Klemani Berakiri Te Bangladeshni Radeshati Rohingya Habui Kobuni Hasteo Samurutui Tangoni Abroti Kokchap
to share each other's knowledge, experience, so that it will go to improve the coordination between the state and the MP. Videsh support program, as I understand, it has been started by the MEA to work closely with the state governments of India in a spirit of cooperative federalism. Its main objective was to connect effectively with the state government and to inform them about the MEA's program and schemes for overseas Indians, migration and mobility, diaspora issues, passport and consular initiatives, trade and investment opportunities. Since May 2017, I think it has been started. Many outreach programs have already been organized in partnership with other states like Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Gujarat, Karnataka, and recently with the state of Bihar. I don't know whether any other states have been coordinated.
Kerala also.
Oh, Kerala also. Yes, Kerala. Going through the schedule of thematic sessions and issues to be raised here for discussion and deliberation, it appears that many issues are not trivialized by the state government officials. We have a preliminary discussion with the state officials. Many of the issues are not known, many of the issues are not raised, not experienced. We have not felt or faced so far. Of course, there are some issues, scarily. Like while I was in the district, I also faced one issues like, how to bring the dead body from Arabian countries. So it took 2 long months to bring the dead body after a long, correspondences with the state government, with the ministry and outside the state, outside the country. There were passport issues. Even recently, as we were discussing that unless there was a Bangladesh terminal recently, we did not know that about 1,000 students have been studying medical education only in Bangladesh from India. About 1,000 students have come across Bangladesh and they have come to India, to Agartala, via different border points, and they have been sent to their own states like UP, Bihar, then West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya. For Tripura only, as I have come to know that about 3 to 4 students who studied there in medical education. So there might be some other issues, like though we will be discussing diaspora as an issue, issues relating to passport, but this state is facing again some issues like Rohingyas, they are coming from Bangladesh, migrating to India. Their children, they have been staying in our custody in different places. So the other day while I was discussing this issue, one honorable judge of High Court of Tripura, he was telling me that, this will create a great issue. Not now, you are not feeling now. You are not thinking about the issue, you are not thinking about the shelter, you are not thinking about the future. But this will definitely create another problem for not only Tripura, for the entire country. Many of the Rohingyas, they have gone to other states, even in Delhi. So they are working. So their children, they are staying in various homes of our state, even in jails. They do not know juvenile jails. They do not know who are their parents. They do not know their identity. Whether they are staying in India, whether they are staying in their own country, they do not know. The faces are similar. So that was the kind of discussion the Honorable Judge, he told me, and it was came up during a discussion. So after the discussion, we will come to know many of the issues to be faced in future, not today, because Tripura, though is a small state, but it has a great future ahead. It will have a better opportunity with Bangladesh, with Myanmar and other countries, Asian countries. There is an opportunity of trade and commerce. There is an opportunity of tourism between India and other Asian states, Asian countries. In future, the border with Bangladesh is likely to be, the trade between India and Bangladesh is already there, but the route like Sabrum by a bridge is about to start. The rail route is about to open. Agartala airport is an international airport already, but it has to be made operational. So with these kind of opportunities, there are the issues which will be discussed today. Though not felt, though not faced, it may be faced in future. This is what I feel, what I understand. With these few words,
asale kokchamlemna kitingi eba koksalemna kitingi hakotor habani porastra montrolaini yaksu ozma onkor benari saka Tripura haste ka hakotor hapangni eba hakotor hapangni bere kaisa nangkukmani part eba amsai o hastini amkrai khlaijani bagi hakotor hapangni porastra montrolai toto Phaimano amani hinba bidinok West Bengal amani bugino Tripura tebo kamke Phaimano.
Ladies and gentlemen, the state of Tripura is particularly close to my heart, both personally as well as professionally. I hail from the state of West Bengal and therefore speak the Bengali language just like many of you present here today. That is why I have a personal connect with Tripura. On the professional front, I had served as the director of the ICCR Cultural Center in Dhaka for over 3 years, from 2010 to 2013, when Tripura and joined by residents in Bangladesh. My family used to depend on Agartala, a short distance away from Dhaka, to source our necessary Indian items from here. Professionally also, when I was the director of the Bangladesh-Myanmar division in MEA, I worked proactively towards expediting connectivity projects with the northeast of India through Bangladesh. So ladies and gentlemen, today I have come here to personally express my profound gratitude to the state government of Tripura for hosting the Videsh Sampark program of my ministry, but also for the assistance that I have received from here during my stay in Bangladesh. Ladies and gentlemen, the state government of Tripura is a priority for the central government as regards protecting and promoting the interests of the Indian diaspora overseas. Team MEA in Tripura today therefore avails of this opportunity to proceed with the VSP with this important state of India with the objective to strengthen cooperation, collaboration and synergies between them on Pravasi Bharatiya related affairs. I look forward to a very productive interaction between my colleagues from my ministry and all stakeholders of the state government of Tripura who deal with the diaspora, immigration, consular and economic diplomacy related affairs, so that Team MEA can not only protect the interest of the Tripura diaspora overseas, but also promote the state of Tripura overseas. Thank you.
Asali Kokchap Hasteo Puni Hoda Hamgri Hodarek Dagvin Dagifang Topon Kumar Das Medical Educationi Marjamajak Dagifang Professor Dr. H.P. Sharma Hakotor Haponi Porastro Montrani Under Secretary Rusal Korbo Nankuponi Kok Narkha.
It is a very important meeting which we are having today here at Agartala. And for the first time, MEA is holding such sammelan or such meeting here in Tripura. For a common man, government means state government because they approach the state government officers for any problem they face. And these days, movement of people across the border has become very common. And it is MEA which represents the government of India or even state government in foreign countries or any matter related to the immigration or any problem faced by the Indians in foreign countries. So this meeting of state government officers and MEA officers is even more important because Tripura is a border state and we share a border with Bangladesh which is about 856 kilometers long. And recently we have seen a large number of students from Bangladesh due to unrest there. They crossed over to Tripura. And as Dr. Chakrabarti has said, that we were not aware that such a large number of students are studying in Bangladesh. And this is known to MEA. Similarly, there are problems faced by the citizens of India in Tripura that may be related to passport, may be related to immigration to a foreign country, or may be related to movement to any other country, for which everything is dealt by MEA. So today's interaction between the state government officers and the MEA officers will be very useful in providing assistance to the Indian diaspora outside India, those belong to Tripura, and also the citizens of India in Tripura who are having any problem or who need assistance of MEA for any issue pertaining to immigration or passport or visa related matters. And since there is lot of movement between Tripura and Bangladesh through border, it is especially more important for us that we know as to what kind of functions are being performed by different divisions of MEA and who is the person in MEA who should be contacted and for what purpose, or if any problem is faced here, the same can be conveyed formally or informally so that the expeditious solution to these problems can.
স্বর্ণকমল স্বর্ণবর্ষা 2 জুলাই থেকে 23 আগস্ট মেগা লাকি ড্রতে 2টি স্কুটি, লাকি ড্রতে 7টি স্বর্ণমুদ্রা, হীরের গয়নার মজুরিতে 75% ছাড় এবং সোনার গয়নার মজুরিতে 20% ছাড় থাকছে প্রতি কেনাকাটায় নিশ্চিত উপহার। এছাড়া যে কোনো হলমার্ক যুক্ত গয়নার সমমূল্যের হলমার্ক যুক্ত নতুন গয়না কেনার সুবর্ণ সুযোগ। স্বর্ণকমল জুয়েলার্স, আজই আসুন আমাদের আগরতলা এবং উদয়পুরের শোরুমে, শর্তাবলী প্রযোজ্য।
Lembosara Bagbariwo Tongma, Rajashri College of Education and Skill College, Tripura Hapangbai Goshimung Manjak, Te Tripura University ni affiliated eba Rungkhungo Chitokja Kaisa English Medium College. Oro Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Geology, Human Physiology, Geography, English, Kokborok, Political Science, History, Education, Philosophy, Sociology, or subject of Porijago, or Rungno Kotoro, Pornerongno, All India, Comparative Amjamurungni Bagibo, Magnangno Frungjago. Ring Sunarung Bagi, थगै जुदा मेंटर तंगो तै तंगो बास मालखुंनि सेबसाब तंगो कुचुक ब्रेमनि लैबोरेटरी स्मार्ट क्लास बाबाय बुरै नायथक खालांजाक तंबरनि बिसिंगो संजाजाक राजश्री कलेजो खास रांगैनो साब सुतरा नबचावै लेखाफोरा ख्लाइमानो हाइके लेरियावै तिनिनो फायदि निनि आनि जदनि कलेज राजश्री कलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड स्किल निकुमा बागबारी लेम्बोसरा त्रिपुरा ककदुक नंबर 9873673875